All right, Jason here from newtonswave.com, and in this short review I'm looking at MMTLP. Now look, if you've got shares in this, or you're fortunate to get free shares as a dividend because you bought shares in MMAT, then well, you are going for one hell of a ride on this next wave, right? Because this is going to the moon. If you don't know the story about this, do a bit more research. But in a nutshell, basically, no one's selling these shares, and there's so many people who are trapped in this, the shorts. And there's a mother of a squeeze going on at the moment. So look, in this video, I'm just going to tell you where the price is going and where you can buy these shares, because 99% of places at the moment, brokers have actually stopped people buying these. It means you can only sell, and the people who have got these are not selling. So it's just driving the price up. But interestingly, yesterday, because I want to buy some more shares in this myself, yesterday I found out that you can actually buy shares still in MMTLP at first trade, and it's quite hidden actually. What you have to do, you have to go down to the bottom, you have to log in, you have to obviously register an account, log in, but if you go down to the bottom of the screen here, you'll see you can type in MMTLP. You can go, and there you go, you can actually buy shares. There you go, look, you can buy and sell shares. So you can, I live in the UK, so I'm going to wire some money to this particular broker, and I'm going to buy a load of shares in this. But anyway, so there you go. So you probably didn't know that, right? So why would you want to buy shares in MMTLP? Because this is going to the moon. So just looking at the science on this, right? If we get the fib tool out here, at the moment it's on $9. Now the next stop that the Fibonacci tool has this hitting is roughly about 15, sorry, that is a bit high, there you go. Yeah, so I reckon about 16, but I'm going to play it safe. So the next level this is going to hit is about $15, right? Then when it's hit $15, right, it's then going to do the next stage. So we have 3 stages here. Next stage is going to be 26, and the next stage is going to be just under $50. So I mean, many people got these shares free, right? I know many people who've got quite a few thousand of these free, as I said, when they were as a dividend, when they had MMAT shares on this, right? And they actually, I mean, this actually started, they actually got those shares at 18 cents, right? It's now on $9. So for me personally, I mean, this is easily going to go to $50 or $100 on this. So where are we looking? So we got 9. So it's going to do 10 times your money. So look, you put $1,000 on this, you're going to have 10. Put 10 grand on this, you're going to end up with 100,000. Put 100 grand on this, you're going to end up with $1 million. So this is a really incredible kind of situation to be in right now, which is why I'm doing this video. And looking at Newton's wave, right? Newton's wave, basically price works on sine waves, follows the contours of a sine wave. And basically this is done peak 1, right? So this is done peak 1. It's got 3 peaks to go up. It's doing peak 2 at the moment, right? So basically everything goes up in 3s. It does a retracement and then goes up in 3s and does a retracement. So as you can see, this hasn't even started yet, right? So this is done peak 1, which took it from 18 cents all the way up to just under $2. It came down, had a slight retraction. Now we've had a nice rise up to, where was it, just under 10 yesterday. And then this, what's basically going to happen here is that you're going to have a downward, a small downward kind of retreat, as it were. We call them exponential decay. So basically it's like the waves of a sea. You get to the crest and then crashes down a bit, but it ain't going to go too far. So this is going to come back down slightly, which it has done actually. It's dropped $1 over the last day or two. Then it's actually going to come down like so. Then it's going to go all the way up again, right? This is, we call this, as I said, this particular thing you're looking at, this is Newton's wave. It's an electromagnetic sine wave behind all crypto stocks and shares. This wave actually the price follows the contours of this particular wave. And so from here, as I said, the next rise is easily going to hit 15, then it's going to hit 28, then it's going to hit 50, then you're going to be at 75, then you're going to be at $100. So incredible time. So that's my quick review of MMTLP. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen to me today. I wish you the best of success with your trading, and in another video I'm going to do MMAT. So listen, you take care, speak to you soon. Bye bye.